Today's a big day. We're moving the chickens into their new pen. We have the gate here and some of the fences. And along the edge of the thing, we have some marigolds. Those little orange flowers there. This place used to be a sheep enclosure. That's why it's so big. Let's look inside. We have a big wire here and then little chicken wire. The big wire is because of the sheep that used to be here. We have a big chicken coop that also used to be the old sheep shed. And we have a little step and a little chicken ramp for them. The ramp's there, the step's there, and there's a little chicken door. And this is the big door that we go through. On the inside here, we have some brooding boxes, wood chips on the ground, and a 3-level roost for the chickens. And that's the other side of the chicken door. Let's go get the chickens. We have a little shade spot that we made out of sheet metal and old wooden boards for the chicks as shade and to hang the feeder from. And we have a little tree over that way. It's protected so that the chicks can't get to it because it's still a fairly young one.
What's that?
Here's the little chickens right before we put them in. Let's get this. Over here. Let's get the first chicken. Oh! One laying down, another one. First chicken. Oh, let's go. Here we go, putting the chickens in the shed. This is the first chick to go into the shed. We've got some others coming right now as well. And right in the litter.
Good birdie. Good birdie. There you go. Oh, oh.
Goodbye, birdies. We're coming back with more of you. Look at all the little chicks. It seems like they wanted to huddle in that corner of the shed. And they're all very this is their first time in here, so they might be a little worried. Though it's very tightly packed. Oh, hey! One's coming to see me. She sneezed. Do you want to be petted? Oh. They're out here at night because they so that they can get used to this place at night and know that when it comes to nighttime, they go in here to at night for safety. And the little chicken door that I talked about earlier is because it's an automatic door so that they can come out at day and night. It will be open at day and closed at night. Good night, little chickies. See you next time. The chick door just opened as we were here. And it seems like one of them pooped on it.
Shake it.
Here, hey chickies. Shadows in the background barking at them. Hey, unraveled a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
It's got dirt on its beak. They definitely like using the ramp. Man, that one chick's really going at the food. There's one chick right over there. Wait, two now that are going after a rock. Whoa.
Don't flip your face.
I dodged having a chick land on my head again. That happened last night. Here, little girl. There you go. She's having a little trouble with pecking off. Come on, chew it, girl. You got this. Yay, you did it. The other chicks are curious about the door. I think some of them are knocking on the big door, trying to get through there. Well, that probably would make sense because they saw us going in with them for the big door, not the little one. We've got the water dish for the chicks right here. Yeah, I did not pour that out efficiently. You have most of the chicks out and there's Shadow over there whining. Really wants to play with them. There's just the one chick that's at the door that's not come out yet. I think Shadow sees something. He probably just hears like something funny or something. Two of the little chickens are trying to coax her out. Aw, that's cute. There's one right there. Oop. Camera shy, apparently. They really like the grass. They're all pecking that one chicken in the beak. Woo! She almost landed on another one. They're fighting. Thanks for watching.